Hello and welcome to a tutorial on how to use Warehouse Plus. In this tutorial, we will be going through a step-by-step guide on how to use the create product and update product features. With these features, you are able to create products from scratch and update them at will. Both of these features are located underneath the product icon. First, we will take a look at the create product function. With this function, you are able to do, as the name says, create a new product. For this, you'll need all the product details that are required ready to be inputted into the fields. For this example, the product that we listed was Peach Coke. As you can see, we came up with our own SKU, put in our purchase price, retail price, our minimum quantity that we need, the pack quantity, and the quantity we have in our stock right now. Once you have done that, you can search for your product on the product availability function to check whether it has been added with the correct details. The update product feature comes in when an existing product has the wrong or outdated details. When something like this arises, you can go to Update Product and search for the product you wish to update. In this example, we search for the product that we just listed, Peach Coke. And from here, you can change any of the details that you would like to. We changed the weight from 0 to 0.5 kg. From here, you can just select Update and again, search for the product on product availability to see its updated details. That is all for today's tutorial. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, leave in the comments below or give us an email, and we will try to get back to you as soon as possible to answer any of your queries. I'll catch you in the next video.